No brakes. No brakes. Wide turn, no brakes. Here we're cooking now. Oh, straight away. Here we go, baby. Yeah, if you got in a wreck right here, it'd be done, man. Would not be very fun. That's where you need the brake. There's a waterfall. Oh man, I could have waited. Woo! Yeah, if I didn't use the brake back there, I would have been in pretty bad shape. Water is low. In the summertime, way more water. Gotta wait for snow melt. Waterfall. Yeah, you got to be real careful, because if you went down here, you probably wouldn't survive. Maybe. You'd be pretty messed up. Like right there, there's a crack right there, so you'd probably get stuck in that. Here it is, folks. Stevenson's Fall, biggest waterfall in California. That's where the ledge goes. If I can make it up there, over there, I can get up off that rock and hit the waterfall, guaranteed. If it's deep enough, I'm not going to get hurt. But right up there where that ledge is, got to make it up here. I'm going to most likely do it in the summertime though, because it's way too cold today, and I don't have a towel. So you got to figure out how to make it up there. I definitely guarantee you I could. Let me see what the point of entry would be. It'd probably be right here. So you go up there, you make your way up there, and you climb over there. It looks like a good 80-footer. I'm telling you, one of these days I'm going to do it, because there's a Jose Basin down there that has 60 to 80 foot jumps. All the way up there.